Hey guys, PepperAmmy here. This week we are going to be making some delicious spicy beef ramen right in your home kitchen. This episode is brought to you by OnlyPans. Are you the sort of person who loves hot pan-on-pan action? Do you like to watch people get down and dirty with filthy pans? Do you enjoy the sound of cold raw meat sizzling in a smoking hot pan? Do you enjoy watching cast iron pans get seasoned? We have large pans, we have small pans, we have it all. OnlyPans is for you. Now for this recipe, you will of course need 1 pack of ramen noodles, a teaspoon of soy sauce, some beef flavouring, a dash of hot sauce, and of course some water to cook the ramen in. Now conveniently, I found this all in one nice package at the shop, and they had a wide range of other flavours as well. Now personally, I'm using 2 packets as I am making 2 servings. Now, as I say, there is a wide range of flavours of ramen that you can get out there, so the choice is completely up to you. You don't have to follow along with this video. To start, simply boil some water. Now, you can either do this in the saucepan you are going to be cooking your ramen in, or you can just simply boil the kettle. Now, how much water you use will, of course, go on how much broth you want. Now, once you have your boiled water, simply place in your noodles and keep at a boil for around 5 minutes. And now you want to cook these until they are soft and flexible. Now for flavourings. I personally am going to be making spicy beef, but you can always pick something else depending on what the shop offers or your personal tastes. Now to add the flavour, simply open the seasoning pouch that comes with your noodles and add to the cooking noodles. You should also have a second pouch. This normally contains the soy sauce and the hot sauce mixture, and this is going to give you the spicy flavouring for the chili beef noodles. Once cooked, simply if you are making 2 servings, divide between the 2 bowls. And then you can optionally top with extra chilies or any added flavourings. I went for a bit of hoisin sauce as well to finish. And now for the taste test. Now, the spicy beef is my go-to ramen at the shop, but if I am ordering ramen noodles online, I will of course browse the wide selection. Recently, I did find some really nice spicy ramen noodles online, and they did taste great, even if there was a slight bit of regret. Anyway guys, hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give a comment and a like down below. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing. It helps me out a lot, and I will see you all again next week. Thanks for watching. Or tomorrow for the real episode. And recently I'm having a stroke.